Welcome to JSS Matriculation School, Talavadi Social Class. Today I go to explain you Geography lesson number 3, Atmosphere, continue part. In the past class, I explained composition of atmosphere and structure of atmosphere. Today I go to explain you weather and climate. Weather and climate are the terms that are related to the atmosphere conditions. Weather denotes the way the atmosphere behaves every day, and climate reveals the average of weather conditions over a relatively long period of time. The difference between the two may be clearly understood with the following tables now. So, the difference between weather and climate. First, we are going to see weather differences. Weather is the study of atmospheric conditions for short duration over small areas. The second point is the weather changes very often, hour to hour and day to day. The third point is a place can experience different types of weather conditions in a day. Example, a day with hot morning can have a rainy noon. The fourth point is weather data is collected every day in the observatories. Those who are observators. The fifth point is study of weather is called meteorology. The next we are going to learn about climate differences. Climate is the study of an average weather conditions observed over a long period of time for larger area. The second point of climate is more or less permanent and remains the same always. The third point is a place can experience almost the same type of climate. The next fourth point is climate is average of weather data. Now we are going to call study of climate is called climatology. Next we are going to learn about there are many factors that influence weather and climate are distance from the equator, altitude, near to the sea, nature of the prevailing winds, mountain barrier, cloud cover, ocean currents, and natural vegetation. Now, in these factors that influence weather and climate, that factors we are going to learn about. The first one is distance from the equator. The sun rays fall vertically on the equator. The rays are inclined on the regions away from the equator and near the poles due to spherical shape of the earth. The vertical rays heat up the earth more than inclined rays. Thus, the place near the equator are warmer than the place which are far away from the equator. Now the second one of that, altitude. Altitude refers to the highest above mean sea level. The temperature decrease at the rate of 6.5 degrees Celsius per kilometer of height. This is called normal lapse rate. So, place at the higher altitude have a lower temperature. Next we are going to learn about nature of the prevailing winds. The wind changes from climate of a place based on from where they blow. When wind blows from a warm region, it makes the place warm and cold. When blows from a colder region, the onshore winds cause rainfall, making the place cool, whereas offshore winds bring dry weather.